Hello guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I will teach you how to install easyeda in your system. Now I will teach you what is the EDA. EDA is the software for design semiconductor, or call in easy is chip. Okay, we download this. I will download for Linux. I will click easy EDA install Linux. This is the standard version. The pro version is called money after we download install success. Now if success, I will open in this. Track here. Everything is used long time. Now in success, we will click and open terminal and use this command from the auto install text to sudo sh install shell and set the password. Now in success, we will click open. I go to